After spending years entangled in lots of legal disputes, Selena's widower, Chris Perez, and her family have reconciled.
Perez made the announcement via Twitter yesterday, and this is a brand new story on KSAT.com right now. So KSAT digital journalist Faris Sabawi joins us now to break it down. And good morning, Faris.
Hi, Faris.
Hey, good morning. How are y'all?
We're good.
We're good. Hey, first of all, when did Chris's legal battle with Selena's family begin?
Yeah, Stephanie, this actually started back in 2016 when Chris Perez had announced that he secured rights to a TV deal based on his memoir called To Selena with Love. Now, that TV deal would have violated an agreement that he had signed with the Quintanilla family right after Selena's death that gave Abraham Quintanilla, Selena's father, the rights to her likeness and her image. And so Abraham Quintanilla sued him in 2016, and what followed from that was a counterclaim from Chris Perez that where he alleged he was taken advantage of and exploited during a time of grief when he signed that agreement with the Quintanilla family. So that all played out in Nueces County courtrooms in Corpus Christi through the past several years.
Yeah, so it got legal pretty quick over time. Faris, how did all this wind up affecting their personal relationships?
Yeah, it really appeared strained, definitely. I had grown up in Corpus Christi, and in 2016, there was a big Fiesta de la Flor festival done in Selena's honor in which Chris Perez had headlined. And then once the legal battles happened, the next year that festival happened, Chris Perez was completely left off of that lineup. Mm-hmm. We also saw him, take a few shots of the Quintanilla family right before that Netflix series had premiered. He had apologized since then, said he was speaking out of turn. And since then, as we can see, and as we found in court documents, both sides have appeared to reconcile, and the judge had already dismissed the case earlier this month.
And Faris, now that they have made up, what is next for Perez and the family?
Yeah, so that remains to be seen, but I know a lot of Selena fans are really excited about that. As I mentioned, they just wrapped up that Netflix series about Selena's life. Selena's family is always looking to get her story out there, and so we're all interested in seeing what that next step will be. Maybe it'll be a collaboration or another documentary type thing or another series. We'll have to see what happens next, but as a Selena fan, a lot of fans are excited to see these two come together again and put the past behind them.
All right, KSAT digital journalist Faris Sabawi joining us live from home, part of our awesome web team. Thank you, Faris.
Thank you all.